Metabolism by KayScience.com. In this video, we're going to talk about metabolism. But before we do, I want to recap what respiration is. So, aerobic respiration is a process that happens in mitochondria in cells, whereby glucose and oxygen react to form water and carbon dioxide. During this process, there is an energy released from the mitochondria. This is because it is an exothermic reaction. So there is a release of energy from the mitochondria during aerobic respiration. So metabolism is the sum of all the reactions in a cell or in the body. Metabolism. So we're now going to look at how the energy released by respiration is used for enzyme-controlled processes of metabolism that produce new molecules. The first process we're going to look at is how glucose is used to produce a new molecule of glycogen. So as you can see here, glucose molecules are stored as glycogen. So energy released from respiration is used to convert glucose into new larger molecules of glycogen. This here is respiration, whereby glucose and oxygen react together to form the byproducts carbon dioxide and water, and there is a release of energy. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Energy released from respiration is used for the production of amino acids. So amino acids are formed from glucose and nitrates. The energy released from respiration is required for that process to take place. So amino acids are formed from glucose and nitrates. So the energy released by the mitochondria during respiration is then used for the ribosomes to produce proteins from amino acids. So let's recap. Energy released from mitochondria during respiration is required for the production of amino acids from glucose and nitrates. And that energy released is also required for the formation of proteins from amino acids. Proteins are broken down into urea. Energy released from respiration is required for the breakdown of proteins into urea, which is then excreted as urine from our bodies. So energy released from respiration is used to convert glucose into new larger molecules of glycogen. This here is respiration, whereby glucose and oxygen react together and there is a release of energy. Energy released from mitochondria during respiration is required for the production of amino acids from glucose and nitrates. And that energy released is also required for the formation of proteins from amino acids. Energy released from respiration is required for the breakdown of proteins into urea. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Press pause to practice using those key words. The answers will follow. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers will follow. And if you're stuck, just re-watch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. Visit KayScience.com for more free videos, worksheets and quizzes at KayScience.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.